Unable to format disk. The system cannot find the file specified. I have a USB flash drive, which I may have mucked up, so I used diskpart's claim to clean it up. I created a simple volume, and tried to format it. This is all using Windows Disk Management. I was told, the system cannot find the file specified. So I tried using diskpart, as an admin. As you can see, no luck. When I plug the drive in, the computer makes a beep noise as though it has recognized something, but nothing appears in my computer. How can I format the disk so I can use it again?
Just wanted to add another possible reason/solution for this error message. Problem: I had previously used this USB drive as a Chromebook recovery image holder and Win8 was giving me errors trying to format it. XP formatted it OK and showed a drive letter when the USB drive was inserted while Win8 did not. Solution: I ended up using the Chromebook recovery utility to erase the USB drive again, even though it had been formatted a few times in Windows, and Win8 was then happy with it again. This URL.
Run diskpart and perform these commands. X being the number returned in the first command for the USB disk. Close diskpart. Open Windows Disk Administrator GUI. You should now see the USB disk as an empty hard drive and be able to partition and format the USB disk as normal.
I had this issue when the USB key had been formatted with a Linux install ISO previously. To fix it, I ran the Linux disk utility, removed all partitions, and then ran. Where 30 was STB in my case. This wiped the partition table completely, and on new insertion on Windows, it was able to do a standard format. I clued in that it had something to do with the partition table, since Windows Disk Manager showed the old partition layout after attempting to create a volume plus format, despite the fact that I picked a different volume and file system size, i.e. attempting to create a 4 grams volume and file system restored the previous 2 grams partition in the Disk Manager display, despite starting from a non-partition state.
I recommend using Mark Tomlin's answer at recovering a partially formatted USB thumb drive. If that doesn't work, try then using diskpart to clean the disk again and convert to GPT. The conversion as GPT seems to restore the USB drive to a usable state, which convert to MBR does not always manage. You should now be able to create a primary partition and format it. I then had a little difficulty in converting back to MBR, but managed it okay as explained in my answer on the other post. I hope that this helps.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.